text to columns, medyo bibilisan lang po natin. Text to columns, okay, ang ginagawa na text to columns is to separate natin yung data natin from ganitong data. So let's say sa delimited, okay, ang gusto natin is to split that into first name, middle initial, and then last name. So para mag-work tong text to column, dapat meron siyang specific na format. Let's say ito, ang full name natin, ang separator niya is space. Okay, so paano natin gagawin yun? Okay, so highlight the range, text to columns, and you will be asked to select kung delimited or fixed width. So we'll go to delimited first. Click next. And then as we all know, ang delimiter natin is space. Kasi yan yung nagsasabi na ihiwalay natin siya pag nakita natin. So let's click space. Ayan, mapapansin natin yung preview natin, nag-automatic siya. And then click next. And then the destination will be the very first cell na pwede nating ibato, yung data natin. And then just click finish and that's it. Okay. So automatically na-separate niya po yung data natin. So again, meron po tayong video related to this text to columns delimited sa ating playlist. Bisita lang po kayo doon. Ayan, nandyan lang po siya. Hanapin nyo lang po siya dyan. Okay, so again, for text to columns, this one is not delimited. This should be fixed width. Okay, so ang gagawin natin, of course, we're gonna analyze first kung ano yung format natin ng data natin. And we notice na meron siyang specific length, text length. Let's say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So 10 yung data natin, okay? And we know na first two characters natin is the area. Let's say PH, AU, Canada, UK, and so on and so forth. Okay? And then ito yung target na natin pala. Ito yung target na result natin. For the year, after nung first two characters natin, meron tayong year, and then month, and then day. So gusto natin siya split ng mabilisan. Okay? So, paano natin gagawin yun? Okay? Using text to columns, ma-achieve po natin siya. So, first is that highlight the range. Go to text to columns. And then this time, hindi na tayo gagamit ng delimiter. Kasi wala na tayong specific delimiter na pwede nating ma-identify para split yung data natin. This time, we're gonna use the fixed width. Okay? And then, click next. And then, magkikreate tayo, i-split natin siya. So, let's say, after nung PH, first two columns, ayan, nag-click lang po ako. And then, after nyan, meron kasing year. Ayan, na-split na siya. And then, click ako ulit. So, click lang tayo ng click. Ayan, no? To create a break line, click at the desired position. To delete a break line, double-click on the line. So, if you want to delete, just double-click it. And kung i-move mo, click and move lang. And then, when you press next, destination again, you're gonna select the very first cell. And then, finish. Tatanong siya ulit. Okay. So, now, we already achieved the data natin. So, ang bilis lang, di ba? Yung text to columns. Again, nandito lang, nasa ating playlist po yan. Manood lang po kayo ng playlist. Marami po kayong matututunan doon.